It's winter time and it's a time where I want to do quite a lot of pruning. So I'm out here with my secateurs and I'd like to show you the difference in pruning shrubs that are shrubby shrubs, woody shrubs, and pruning shrubs that are perennial. I call them meadow plants. So as examples here, we have an Artemisia Afra, and we have at the bottom here the lemon balm. You'll basically know because the shrub will tell you how it wants to be pruned. So with the meadow plant, much of the top growth will die down, and I've got lots of lovely young shoots that want to take their place. You just trim it as low as possible. In nature, it would have flopped down and made a kind of a mulch, allowing this new growth to emerge from that. In comparison here with our woody shrub, we have already had this plant here for a few years. I can actually see how many winters we've cut. This is the third here, and I'm cutting a little bit above the previous cut. So if you're doing this for the first year, you want to cut quite low. I'd say within the first 2 hands from the soil. But subsequently, you're actually going to look at how many nodes you have and then prune down again. At least 3 nodes. So sometimes you'll also have to take note what is growing inwards and what is growing out, because I want airflow to be able to go through my shrubs. So this is my good, nicely trimmed bush. And I know as soon as the weather gets warmer, it's going to just be burstish with fragrant leaves.